Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any of those sales. Looks like today we're doing number 213. If we finish out this box, looks like we're just missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5s covering these two, so our 5 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 8. No help here, 1, 5, 8, and an 8 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 9. A 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. And then this is also 1 or 9. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8, 9, an 8 here, so 4, 6, 9. 4 covering these two boxes, a 6 here, so 8, 9, and the 4 and 8 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, 9. We've got the 6 and 7 here, so 1, 9, a 6 here, so 1, 7, 9, a 1 and 7 here, so 6, 9, 7 here, 6 here, so 1, 9. So if we look back here, the only place our 7 can be for that row is here, and the only place the 6 can be is here. Then we can get rid of this 6 here. For this column, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 6. There's no help here. 4, 5, 6. No help here. 4, 5, 6. And we've got the 6 here, so 4, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. No help here, 2, 4, 9. No help here, 2, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. No help here. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 9. And no help here, so 1, 2, 9. Look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 4, a 4 and a 6 here, so 2, 3. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 4, 6, and the 3 and 6 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 4, 9. 4 and a 9 here, so 1, 3. So 1 here. So 3, 4, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. Got a 7 here. So 1, 2, 9. The 9 here. So 1, 2, 7. And the 1 here. So 2, 7, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got the 3 here. So 1, 2, 5, 9. A 1 here. So 2, 3, 5, 9. So if we look now, the only place our 3 can be in this square is here. And the only place the 5 can be then is here. That 5 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 9. And this our 6. That 1 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 8. And the 1 and 8 make this our 5. This 9 makes this our 2 and our 1. And that 1 and 2 make this our 9. So let's do a little cleanup here. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. And this 9 means we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. This 9 makes this our 1. This 5 makes this our 4. So then this is our 2. And this is our 9 and 4. So this 2 and 4 makes this our 6. And the 4 and 6 makes this our 5. And the 4, 5 makes this our 6. All right. So to finish out this box, then we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 7. Got a 7 here, so 2, 5. A 5 here, so 2, 7. And a 5 here, so 2, 7. That means our 5 has to be here. All right, so let's do some more cleanup here. Get rid of this 4. This 9. All right, so if we come back down here now, that 8 makes this our 9, and this our 4, and then that 9 makes this our 1, 8. That 4 makes this our 2, 9. That 2 makes this our 1, 4. That 9 and 4 makes this our 3 and 1. So we'll clean up again. Can get rid of this 1, this 3. So if we look here, this is the only place the 4 can be, and the 3. for these two rows, and then we're just left with 2s and 7s. And we can plug those in to 7, 7, 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.